with it. It's where we wanted to be. It's where we intend to stay for the rest of the year. So it's looking good so far, which is great. Yeah, we've got a few more bits and pieces to do to the engine just to get a bit more top end speed, which is not really that critical of Winton, but we just got to get it done so we're ready for when we come back here. We've worked with Russell from Motorsports Tyres and GT to develop those tyres, and they've done a great job of making a good controlled tyre for us, and the sponsorship that they're giving us as well is just absolutely fantastic. Can't thank them enough.